So in this tutorial, I'm just going to give you a little handy tip about how to sort data and information, because all of the fields have been selected so that they are sortable. So for example, if you go into the services screen, you'll be able to see that you can sort all of your services according to their name, and that would be sort of alphabetically. You can also sort it from the shortest to your longest service, your lowest to your highest price, and your lowest to your highest productivity rate. So that's all sortable within your services. Underneath your products and your sales, again, you can sort everything in your sales on date order according to your product name, and that's alphabetical. You can sort it in client name, quantities, lowest to highest quantities. You can sort it in different payment methods, unit prices and total price. And in the products area, it's the same thing. You can sort it A to Z on your product name, the description, that's not particularly useful, but your price, certainly your lowest to your highest priced items is useful. Under your income area, if you scroll down here, you can see that you've got a tab here for your appointments and your sales payments. They both work pretty much the same. So this sorts it according to date order. This sorts it according to client name on alphabetical systems. This is your lowest to your highest amount of payments received, and this sorts it according to services, payment method, and then the last column is all showing that it's been paid. So the same is exactly the same for your sales payments. Business expenses is very similar. These columns are sorted in date order, description, payment method, categories. That's quite useful to be able to sort your expenses in categories, and again the amount. And then you can also sort here when you've got more expenses. For example, here you can have a look at all of your recurring expenses and have them all grouped together, and then you can also look at those that you've got receipts for, and you can, more importantly, look at ones that you don't have receipts for. This is sorting it according to the method of payment. This is the description, and then this is the expense category. So this is alphabetical, and this is the date format. So if you're looking for something in date format, then it's quick and easy just to be able to do these sorting columns. Net income, these screens are all sorted out under appointment payments, sales payments, and business expenses. And again, these columns are sortable as I've just explained. Invoices again can be sorted, and that can all be done on date order. So for example, your invoice date, the most recent to the longest date. Description here, your client name if you want to try and sort it alphabetically. You can look and see your lowest invoice amount to your highest invoice amount by paid amounts. Unpaid amounts, they give totals at the bottom here. And you can also sort it whether it's been a refunded or an unpaid one. I don't think you would be sorting it according to the actual invoice number. And yeah, so just to remind you, all of these columns are sortable wherever you see this small button with the two arrows up and down.